Okay, Recons video on Monday, the 23rd of August 2021. It's just gone 4:08 a.m. Chicago time. Do hope you are doing well. So, just a quick rip around a couple of charts that I'm watching this morning. We seem to have some activity in the energy sector. So, I'll just show you that this is at CL continuous contract of crude oil, 8400 tick bar chart, roughly equivalent to a 1 hour's chart, and we've had a setup overnight into this morning, and I'm long crude at the moment. So the setup looks like this. The background's printed red, which means we're oversold on better sine wave. We've also had exhaustion sell and bullish divergence, so the momentum of volume has started to decrease on the downside, and we've had some blue professional bars kind of active at the lows. We had a dump and run signal a couple of days ago here. A whole bunch of blue professional bars kind of forced us down into this area, and I think they've been accumulating kind of down here between 62 and 64, kind of getting ready. If we break back up above this kind of level 66 here, this whole activity here was just forcing people kind of down and out to allow the professionals to just pick up everything kind of down here and get ready for another push to the highs. So that is crude. Natural gas, similarly kind of strong at the moment. Another kind of setup here where we had more blue professional bars coming at the lows, which I always like to see here, but we had kind of exhaustion, sell, bullish divergence, flush as we kind of come down here. So we're kind of maxed out in terms of selling volume. We have the background printed red, which means oversold on price, and then we have the blue professional bars, a whole bunch of them come in at this level. What's that, 380 something, and then down here at 375 a whole bunch kind of by that low down there kind of force it up really quickly, and we get a little kind of grab and grow pattern here as it busts through that trailing stop on Pro-Am. So there we go, we've got another triple signal happening on natural gas. We had a little bit of weakness, and then a big bar kind of coming up, buying everything in the stack. Kind of hopefully we'll get through 95, and that will show us that we're in an uptrend on natural gas and crude. So that's the energy sector that's looking strong this morning. We've also had a reversal of fortune for the equities and the bonds, so we're on a risk on kind of phase with Thursday, Friday's activity here. You can see kind of coming into this, we bounced off those lows on the 19th. We fussed around a little bit around the 4400 level, which is kind of critical level, and we've now bust into this uptrend, confirmed uptrend. That's what the red bars show us. Better sine wave trending system is showing a confirmed uptrend, and then with this activity here at the end of Friday's activity, a whole bunch of blue professional bars. So that's a little V reversal there, buying everything, and we're kind of seemingly kind of making new highs. So equities is looking strong and bonds is looking weak. So if we look at the 10-year bonds, you can see here the background, the bars themselves are printed white, which means we're in a downtrend here. So we had broke through the lows of that blue professional bars, so that flipped us the other way on better Pro-Am, the trending system there, and you can see white, and a whole bunch of blue professional bars at the end of trade on Friday. And we're seemingly, if we continue to break through the lows of that means it's kind of risk on. So the bond market's kind of looking weak, and the equity market is looking strong. It's too early to say what's going on precious metals with gold and silver, but silver is definitely kind of perked up. The last couple of lows kind of down here at 23, we're having a push above there, but for me there's not enough blue professional bars to show what the professionals are actually doing. I think we're just kind of fuss around until we get another kind of series of signals from the blue professional bars to show it's actually what's kind of going on here on silver. But that's started to perk up, and so has gold. 1800 is critical level on kind of gold. Again, both of these, the last time we've seen blue professional bars is just before the flash crash. So for me, there's no kind of confirmed signals there because we don't know what the professionals are up to, but they'll show us soon enough. So there we go, just kind of rip around the charts. Let's see what happens on Monday.